na goko ni kwa Inoro ni mucie wa Tuginotana njitikiria ngunyiti ogeni uri haria hothe uri na nigetha tuingire kanitha wa kurikiria ni Friday ya mahoya kwari kwa sisi yaku na ni tukuhoya hamwe tuthaithe Ngai tumwire aturirikane atuonekanire na tuhotanire maundu-ini mari mothe na tondu muhia wa maine guku atuthomere mohoro ma Inoro miaraho ni irikitie kwihanda thaa 7
uramenyithio ni Inoro FM twi haha niguo tukumenyithio uria kurathie na mbere guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi tugucanjamure na tukunore meciria maku kugerera tabarĩra-inĩ citu itiganĩte. Inoro FM na itaĩrĩro rĩa ũmenyo na ũũgĩ.
Inoro ceceni hakuhĩ nawe. Inoro Mogene Mutare.
Inoro miaraho.
Mawakiri kororogana goko mucie munene makimenereria njuragano ya unyamu iri ratungirio muruna wao Chalo Mbobu. Rigathi wa Gachagua gukumithia ikinya ria Mugathe Ruto kugomithania giikaro kia muingi na atongoria matura aria maumite Murang'a na aria mari thingiraine wa Iregi na mundurume umwe gukua gikuo kia ruo thutha wa gucinirwo nyumba ni athoni yake kuria mwena wa South Gariama Mwea Kirinyaga.
The other day, William Ruto was complaining that members of parliament are asking for bribes. What is happening today in State House is a shame that State House has become the theater of absurd.
Wakazi wa Kitengela kitu wanalia sana ni maji. Na hata hao viongozi wetu wanasema kuna maji Kitengela na tuioni. Pesa yenye tunanunua maji ni ile tunaletewa na bunda. Tunauziwa ciringa 40, ciringa 50.
Maundu maria makoretwo magikika bururi-ini uyu umuthi uyu ngikaigua thirikari handu ni aiga kaundu irenda gwika ni turamenya hingo ciothe he undu hau mahithanitie.
Tauni ino itu ya Uasin Gishu ri gucire plan ire yekirwe githondekwo ri yari plan itari njega tondu ngirora uhoro wa mburere irauraga irahingire tauni irarugama tondu mai maraihurite kila mahali.
Miaraho miega itha-ini riri ria thaa 7 gucokerie ngatho ni gucagura na guthikiriria mucie wa Tuginotana. Maya ni mohoro maitu maitha riri maria turakurehera kuma guku Communication Center ukiri mwega njitagwo Muhia wa Maina. Turambiriria guku mucie munene na mawakiri ni marurunganire guku Nairobi makimenereria njuragano ya unyamu iria ratungirio muruna wao Chalo Mbobu. Kuhetukira kuri ngwataniro yao ya LSK marurunganire kuma igoti-ini inene ria Milimani makihinyiriria kihoto gia Chalo kirugame. Mutongoria wa LSK Faith Odhiambo oigite marenda honge cia ugitiri itigirire ni ciaikia ngono na guthitanga haria maratabanirie njuragano iyo. Ningi maroiga mari na kieha ta mawakiri kuona muruna wa ongi Willy Kimani ni oragirwo na njira iyo ya unyamu ari wira-ini wa gutetera andu aria arugamireire cira-ini kuria mwena wa Mavoko. Wakiri Mbobu ahurirwo rithathi 8 mwiri-ini wake kuri hwa-ini wa muthenya wa keri kiumia giki akiinuka gwake mucie mwena wa Karen ni ekwirwo aria macokire gwithara makihuthira nduthi.
Today we have come together to protest the brutal assassination of Mbobu Chalo, and as advocates we've seen this before and we are condemning it in the strongest terms. As advocates we serve not only our clients but as well members of the public, and if our advocates cannot be protected in this criminal justice system, then it means that those who stand on behalf of clients, those who stand on behalf of members of the public, then there's no one to stand for them. Killing of an advocate is not the solution, and we'll condemn it in the strongest terms, and we are asking the Inspector General of Police to ensure that thorough investigations are done, that the perpetrators are brought to book.
It is important that even the media and the entire public and even the law enforcement agents realize that this is something that they must come to the bottom of and ensure that the death of Chalo Mbobu is accounted for and justice is served.
Na ndumiriri-ini yake mutongoria wa kiama gia kiuteti kia DAP Kenya wakiri Eugene Wamalwa ni ahinyiriirie kihoto gia Chalo gitigirirwo ni giakinyanira.
We are here to stand in solidarity with the family of Chalo and to pass our condolences to his family but also demand that the state should investigate and deal with this issue of assassinations. Just in the recent past that we lost a legislator not far from here on Ngong Road, shot in broad daylight, and in a gangland style of assassination. The same has happened to a very senior lawyer in the Kenyan bar. It is the cardinal duty of any state to ensure protection of the life and property of its citizens. We cannot send our police officers to fight with gangs in Haiti, and back home we leave gangs to roam streets on motorbikes, trail our leaders, trail our lawyers, and kill them in broad daylight, and no action is taken. We are demanding that action be taken and the perpetrators of this heinous crime be brought to court.
Tothio tetini riu na mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Joyfrey Kathe wa Gachagua ni anyururitie ikinya ria mugathe William Ruto ria kugomithanagia atongoria kuma icigo-ini ngurani cia bururi makirehwo thingira-ini wa iregi ekinyiriirie muoroto